Welcome back to Bavel Bros. I got this Crunch Lab thing, and I drew this because I might get a silver ticket to go there someday. So I made this for Mark Rober if I ever go there. So I just kind of copied that.
So you could give that to him like he gave you your little diploma that as you get some, you keep adding gears to.
Yeah.
Very cool. Why don't we, here, you can give me that and you can show everyone what you just built and tell them about it.
Okay. I built this thing.
So what is it?
So that's the holder for all the, like, discs. Mm-hmm. And when you turn it on, that thing spins a lot.
Yeah.
So, and then you do this while it spins, and it does that, so that it goes like that and flies out really fast.
All right, so let's see what we got here. You have a little motor on the back, right?
Yeah. But the good thing is that the charger is on the back.
Yeah, that's the motor for it. The battery is the supply, power supply. So why don't you turn it on and you can practice shooting at your little milk bottle and empty box over there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
it
you
goes
turn it
really fast.
Here, come over here. All right, go ahead.
You got this, John? Yeah! Whoa. You hit one. Oh, okay, you hit 4, 2.
There you go. All right, one more. Nice.
So this, every time I get one of those sets, I get this another gear, and then when I'm done with like all of them, it'll be a thing that just goes around.
It'll make all the gears spin by spinning the first one, right?
Mhm.
So that was your first one. What'd you think?
It was really good.
Yeah, I'm really proud of you. You built that pretty much on your own.
But a lot of your help.
Not really. I just showed you how to get the little screwdriver working because those screws are really small, right?
Yeah, so I didn't see them.
Yeah, but you did an awesome job in your first one. Really proud of you and excited for your next build.
Subscribe to Mark Rober.
And who else?
Like and subscribe. Bye.